Let's show you how to clean super filthy wheels. Step 1. That was a terrible idea, Diego. First, you want to grab everything that you need. So right here, I have an assortment of wheel brushes, a dirt trap to filter out our wash water, a bucket of water, and a few different wheel cleaners to get the job done. The first thing that we're going to do is pre-rinse the surface to knock off a lot of the loose dirt, grime, and brake dust. As you can see, these wheels are still dirty, so now it's time to pre-clean. For that, we're going to be using our Signature Series wheel cleaner. Signature Series wheel cleaner is a specialty wheel cleaner formulated for all gloss finishes, and the reason we're using it is because it's citrus-based, which means it's going to do an incredible job at breaking down a lot of this embedded brake dust before we actually begin scrubbing it with our brushes. Now we're going to rinse off the cleaner to extract any kind of embedded dirt or grime that's knocked off the surface of the wheel. Alright, so now that we've rinsed that off, we're going to set up our bucket here with all of our brushes. So I'm going to grab my brushes, grab them real quick, and then I'm going to set my dirt trap inside my bucket first. So I'm just going to set it at an angle, and then set it down flat as I get towards the bottom, and then we're going to dunk all of our brushes into the bucket. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Mr. Sprayer Foamer Pump Atomizer, and I'm going to spray a nice thick coat of foam all throughout the tire and wheel for the ultimate cleaning experience. So now we're going to begin by cleaning the barrel of the wheel with our Red Rocket brush, and I'm also going to spray some onto the actual brush itself for some added cleaning power and lubrication. Damn! And then whenever your brush gets too dirty, make sure to always come back to your rinse bucket to knock off all the embedded brake dust that's on the bristles of your brush. And now you get yourself a clean brush again, and now you can finish cleaning the rest of your wheel. Now that we're done cleaning the barrel of the wheel, now it's time to attack the face of the wheel. So I'm going to grab my wheelie flag tip brush, and I'm going to do the same thing. Spray some more wheel cleaner onto the brush for added cleaning power and lubrication. And we're going to simply start scrubbing the face of the wheel to remove all the embedded brake dust sitting on there. And now that we're done scrubbing the face of the wheel, it's time to attack the details with our On the Details brush set. So I'm going to go ahead and spray some more wheel cleaner and get all the details like the lug nuts, the valve stem, and the brake caliper. And now that we're done cleaning the details, now it's time to scrub the tires. For the tires, we're going to use our Big Blue Stiffy brush, which is a super hard bristle brush, which is going to work out great to remove all the embedded dirt, grime, and brake dust, and as well as the previous dressing sitting on the tire. And to help us, we're also going to be using our Total Extract Tire and Rubber Cleaner. We're going to spray that directly onto the surface. Some onto our brush. And now we scrub. And now that we're all done scrubbing, all that there's left to do is to rinse it off and dry it. And that's how easy it is to clean your wheels. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, if you guys want these products, they're tagged in the description and pinned comment down below. Comment down below what you guys want to see us clean next time. See ya.